Hello, right now we'll see how PNG works, how PNG images works. Now I'm designing something right here, and then let's say I'm designing something here, and I was looking for a picture. I wanted to add a picture that doesn't have background. For example, if I should add an image from here, it will definitely come with a background. And perhaps if the image I am adding is something I can find online, I might decide to go to png3.com or any other PNG website to download PNG files. Now I've gotten a PNG file like